The Lion, the Dove, and the Hidden Trap. It is told that in a green forest a powerful lion lived. All animals feared his strength, but not his wisdom. The lion hunted every day without thinking and killed more than he needed. One day, a wise dove sitting on a tree branch saw the lion and said, "O king of the forest, strength without wisdom is like a sword in a child's hand. It harms others and also yourself." The lion became angry and said, "You are a small bird. What do you know about ruling?" The dove replied calmly, "The size of the body does not matter. The size of the mind does." A few days later, hunters came to the forest and set a large hidden trap. The lion, proud of his strength, moved forward carelessly and suddenly fell into the trap. The more he struggled, the tighter the trap became. The dove saw everything from afar. He went to his friends and said, "If we think alone, we will fail. If we act together, we will succeed." The doves flew together to the trap, cut the ropes with their beaks, and freed the lion. The lion lowered his head and said, "Today I learned that power without wisdom is a prison." From that day on, the lion thought before acting and listened to the words of the wise, even if they were small.
To support us, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.